my goodness, who do we have here today?
Stephanie.
And
Derek.
what are we doing?
We're going skydiving.
With not total strangers. You don't know me. I don't know you,
Yeah.
but you know Mike pretty well. You know Mike pretty well?
Yes.
So, whose idea was this? Your fault if this goes wrong. Not often you get to blame the woman.
Oh, yeah.
Last words, final comments, confessions, in case we don't make it your next birthday.
I got a good life insurance policy.
I gotta go pee.
Yeah, me too. For me, it's the same every time. Take the computer, the tablet, the phone, burn all of it buried in the desert. My wife can have everything else. High five.
Oh,
High
man.
five. Have some fun, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Let's go have some fun. What do you think of this, huh? This is us looking at them. Woo! Have fun?
Yes.
Pull the left one down. Pull the right one down. Hands up. Good. Pull the left one down a little bit more. There you go. Yeah. Like that? All right, what do you think of that?
Yes.
Is that fun or what?
So
huh?
awesome.
You did great.
I
You
loved
gonna do
it.
that again someday?
Yes.
Yeah?
Woo!
Good job.
Thank
Shout out
you.
Colorado Springs. Next time you come back, I'll let you play with my balls. You can open the parachute.